Hey, what's up? It's Joe Boga of WanderingBlindly.com. Just got about 19 or 20 inches of snow overnight. This is in February. It's actually Super Bowl Eve 2010. And my cat screaming to get out, and buddy, you don't want none of that. My neighbor Matt is currently running a snowblower. Look at that go. There's F, my webmaster. Yeah, dude, I'm documenting it. Getting some footage, buddy.
8 to 10.
Yeah, 8 inches we're supposed to get. We already got 20 or something. Yeah.
It just shows you the accuracy of meteorology that is fucking 100 years ago before they're going to even know if it's going to rain.
Yep. I'm getting me some sweet video footage. And that is a lot of snow. My parents' house here in southwestern Pennsylvania. Here's a tree that's having a rough match with snow. Panning around a little bit. Aunt Barbara's car not having its best day. Yeah, ouch. It's just a mess. There's the street scene. Fun stuff. Fun stuff, people. Yeah, it is slick. Craziness right there.